right now?
I would love to go to the beach.
Oh, no?
We can't go right now, but I would love to take you to the beach.
You see?
Can you say it again?
He says seashore, what do you see? The seashore, seashore, by seashore. Seashore, seashore, by seashore.
Do you think dinner's yummy?
Are you done?
I'm almost done.
Are you gonna eat popcorn? Are you gonna eat dinner and popcorn?
When we have movie night? What movie are we going to watch tonight?
Woody.
Oh, we want to watch Toy Story?
Woody.
Or Tangled?
Woody!
Oh, you burped. Say, excuse me, I burped.
You can bear.
Good boy. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Where's the seashore?
Where is the seashore?
By the ocean. There, and the sand's right there.
The ocean's right there and the sand's right there. That's the seashore. Very smart. Do you like the beach?
And where's the seashore?
You're eating seashells right now, right?
Yeah. Hey, seashore, seashore, by seashore.
Good job. Did we use our imagination to make dinner tonight?
I'm done.
You are? Can you take one more bite from Mommy?
This section.
Thank you.